Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of good quality chocolate ice cream, which is the star of our show. Next, grab 1/2 cup of cold milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest result. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup for that extra rich flavor, and a tiny pinch of salt to really make the chocolate pop. These few items are all you need for a fantastic treat. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a delightful treat. Carefully add the chocolate ice cream, milk, chocolate syrup, and that tiny pinch of salt into your blender. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Begin blending on a high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep an eye on the consistency. You want it to be perfectly smooth and creamy without any ice cream chunks remaining. This quick step brings everything together beautifully. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, you can easily customize it to your liking. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract before blending. If you love a nutty taste, a tablespoon of peanut butter can transform your shake. To serve, pour your creamy creation into a chilled glass. For a truly decadent experience, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Enjoy your personalized, homemade chocolate milkshake right away. And there you have it, a wonderfully rich and satisfying chocolate milkshake made right in your own kitchen with minimal effort. This easy method ensures a consistently delicious result every time, perfect for a quick dessert or a special treat. Feel free to experiment with different ice cream flavors or add-ins to discover your new favorite combination. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this delightful homemade beverage. It's truly a simple pleasure to share with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.